In this video, I'm going to show you how to restore closed tabs in Google Chrome. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. You can see that I have previously opened some tabs here. Now suppose that you have closed 2 of the tabs by mistake. Normally, when we make any mistake on a computer, we press Ctrl+Z to undo the mistake. But in this case, even if I press Ctrl+Z, it does not work. To bring back the recently closed tabs, we have to use another shortcut. Press Ctrl+, Shift+T on your keyboard. Here you can see that the tab is back now. If I press Ctrl+, Shift+T again, the second tab also comes back. You can keep pressing the shortcuts to regain your closed tabs in the same order they were closed. Now, if you close the Chrome browser by mistake and relaunch it, the tabs are gone again. But this time, if you press Ctrl+, Shift+T keys again, it will bring back all of the closed tabs at once. For some reason, if you can't access the shortcut keys, you can always access the history. In the top right corner, click on the 3-dot icon. Click on History. Here you can see the tabs you visited. Click on the websites while holding down the Control button on your keyboard. Here you can see that our closed tabs have reappeared here. Following these steps, you can restore your closed tabs easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.